What is up, everybody? Welcome to my unboxing video of the Moto G Stylus. We will be taking a look at this device. Take a quick look at the box here. We got a Motorola logo here. Moto G Stylus. Motorola on the side. Take a look at the back. Includes a Moto G Stylus, charger, cable, guides, and a SIM tool. Information about the phone. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Take a look at it. So here is the phone itself. Let's see what else we got inside. Here is all of our reading information and our SIM eject tool. Looks to be a fairly sturdy one. Inside we have a charging cable, and then the charging cube, the adapter. So there we have it, and I believe that is everything else. Everything that it comes with. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing or the opening portion. Peel everything off. Got a nice metallic blue color to it. Got a 48 MP for the camera. Got a flash, got a camera, got some other extra cameras there. Some lenses, we got a volume up, the little power button. Let's take a look at the bottom here. There is the stylus. Nice metallic feel to it. Has like a rubbery tip. Very sturdy. It feels very sturdy. Solid build. Got some speakers down here. Charging port, headphone jack. Don't see those very often anymore, but we got a headphone jack there. Take a look at this other side here. We have the SIM tray with a hole to eject the SIM tray. A little hard to see, but there it is. And the top looks fairly clear. And then got a camera up here with another speaker up top. Overall, pretty nice. Feels like a fairly decent build. Like a hard plastic or a plastic here on the back. Overall, decent phone. Got a little button here for fingerprint scanning capabilities. So there you guys have it. Just a quick look at this Moto G Stylus. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out that playlist that I have down in the description below for any helpful tips and tricks on this Moto G. Thank you guys all for watching. See you guys in the next video.